Cycling along Chengdu's Greenway, you'll pass by fields that change with the seasons. Rapeseed blooms in spring, summer brings waves of rice, autumn golden corn, and winter wheat. Every September, the harvest fills local markets and supermarkets. Residents can also order these fresh farm products through the Tianfu Greenway official platform. These fields not only paint a poetic landscape, but also nourish the city, embodying the deep-seated Chinese spirit of cherishing every inch of land and thriving through diligence. I'm going to get a bottle of water. Water. 好多钱，老板？哦，拿了一个。I just got a bottle of water. I'm getting tired, and I'm going to sit here, take some rest. Now I'm sitting here at a rest stop to rest or to take a break. In Chinese, we say 休息, to rest or to take a break. In Chinese, we say 休息,休息. I'm getting thirsty. I want to drink some water. I know that in English, by saying I want to drink some water is a bit direct and demanding. So we often say, I would like some water to be more polite. However, by saying I want to drink some water, 我想喝水 is very standard and neutral in Chinese to express your desire. So it's not rude. It's very, very okay to use with your friends, family, or coworkers. Okay, now let's split the sentence. 我 means I, me, 想 to want, 喝 to drink, 水 water, 水 water. 我想喝水 I want to drink water or I want to drink some water. 我想喝水 Okay, I have to keep going on. 加油 Keep going on. Okay, I got everything. I'm a little afraid I left something over. these beautiful flowers. I think they are wildflowers, so beautiful. I just climbed 3 bridges, getting a little tired. And behind me, there is another one, another bridge. I'm going to conquer it. And do you remember how to say bridge in Chinese? Bridge, 桥. Bridge in Chinese, we say 桥. And flowers in Chinese, we say 花. Flowers in Chinese, we say 花. Flowers, 花. Cycling past Chengdu's Global Center, one of Asia's largest single-structure complexes, where shopping, entertainment, and technology converge. The adjacent high-tech zone drives urban innovation, gathering top-tech companies and young talents. Across the street, SKP hosts global luxury brands with cutting-edge design, making it a trendy hotspot. This entire area is bursting with energy, technology, and style, truly a dream playground for the young generation. I'm taking a break again. The weather is really hot. I'm getting tired. The weather is hot. 天气太热了. Hot. In Chinese, we say 热. 天气太热了. The weather is too hot. Hot. In Chinese, we say 热. 热. I have around 10 more kilometers to go. I'm really tired and the weather is getting dark. It's around 6 p.m. I started this morning at around 9 a.m. It took me a long time. And anyway, let's do it. Let's keep going. I can do it. Go for it. I can do it, or you can do it. In Chinese, we say 加油,加油. Literally, it means add oil. In Chinese, we use it to encourage yourself or other people. 加油, go for it. Keep doing it. You can do it. In Chinese, we say 加油. It smells so good on this bridge. And down there, it's a giant hot pot restaurant with a lake in the circle in the middle of the restaurant. It smells really good. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. In Chinese, we say 我饿了. I'm hungry. In Chinese, we say 我饿了,我饿了. All right, guys, I can see the finish line, the destination where I started early this morning. I'm going to make it 100 kilometer Ring Greenway. Yay! All right, guys, I just reached the destination. Let's learn the last word today. Destination or the finish line. In Chinese, we say 终点,终点,终点. Yay, I made it. This 100-kilometer ride became my moving meditation. The finish line was also my starting point, a circle that taught me every ending holds a new beginning. So I learned to trust not the map, but the path within me. My higher self knew the way all along. My job was simply to be present for each pedal stroke. I remembered that sometimes the journey itself is the destination for your soul. Keep moving, one rotation at a time, toward your own inner truth. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for more adventures right here in China. It really helps me out a lot. Thanks again for watching.